In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Elementor page from your WordPress site. Whether you're doing some spring cleaning on your website or just making room for something new, tidying up your pages can really help streamline your content and make your website easier to manage. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the central hub of your website management, the dashboard. This is where everything begins, so open up your dashboard and look for the menu on the left. It might seem a little overwhelming at first glance with all the options available, but we're going to focus on just one part today. Once you've got the dashboard in front of you, find the section labeled Pages. When you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on All Pages. This is essentially the library of all the pages that are currently set up on your website. Next, the list of all your website's pages will appear, neatly displayed so you can easily browse through them. This is where you'll locate the specific Elementor page that you want to remove. If you have a lot of pages, you might need to scroll down or use the search function to find the exact page you're looking for. Once you spot it, go ahead and hover your cursor over the page title. You'll see a few options appear right beneath the title. Among these options, you should see one that says Trash. Click on Trash, and just like that, your Elementor page has been moved to the digital recycle bin, so to speak. Now, you might wonder if this is the end of the process, but there's one more step to ensure your page is completely removed from your site. By default, moving a page to trash doesn't permanently erase it, allowing you the chance to recover it if needed. But if you're certain you want this page gone for good, you'll need to take an additional step. Head over to the Trash tab, which you can find at the top of your page's screen. Clicking on it will reveal all the pages currently residing in the trash. Find the page you recently moved there. Once located, you'll notice a link beneath it that says Delete Permanently. Clicking this link will remove the page from your site entirely, with no way to retrieve it. So, make sure that you're completely satisfied with your decision to delete the page permanently. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an Elementor page from your WordPress site. This cleanup can help keep your website organized and efficient. Remember, taking the time to manage your pages periodically is a great way to ensure a smooth-running website experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more WordPress tips and tricks.